everybody had a wonderful 3-day weekend. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Presidential Day. We have a lot to go through. So welcome back to the trading week. So we're going to go through multiple time frames of the ES, get down. We like to get the bird's eye view, and then move on down to the real small charts to see what's happening for the day, for the week, for the year. Okay, so I left my screen up here, my watch list up here, because I want to show you how strong the small caps are. And we are in the middle of earnings season for the small caps. And this is my watch list right here. I have a lot of earnings coming up. So I usually don't play earnings for any of my names. So I won't be playing any of those names, but we'll keep track of a few. We're actually going to monitor pltr this morning, and we'll check it out in the pre-market. So let's get this off here. By the way, people are still buying VIX. VIX is going up as the market is going up. So strange things are happening. Contango and all sorts of gibberish. So here we are on the monthly. This is ES on the monthly chart. We are in wave 5, moving on up. We have an impulsive monthly candle here. MACD is the upside. That's all bullish, guys. We moving down to the weekly. We are also in a wave 5 all the way up to the top here. We had a little bit of follow through from last week, and we are now peaking above. If we get back into that range, that might be a different story, but I think we have a little more upside, and I'll show you how and why. All right, on the daily, trend is our friend. We appear to be in a wave 5 here. We had this impulsive move to the upside, so this would be, we're looking at this to be a wave 1, very similar to this wave 1 here, and then we'll see if we can get a wave 2 pullback sometime. But everything's to the upside. MACD is rising. No, we are not overbought on the RSI. We're getting up there. We're at a 67, but looking for some more upside. So let's get down to the 65-minute chart. The 65-minute chart, we use the 65-minute candle, so our trading day has even number amount of candles. Okay, so I want to show you, this is why I think we have a little bit more upside. I'm just going to try to use this Elliott wave count, even though the MACD, everything's divergent, bearish divergent. And that's why things are grinding. There's no impulsive moves at this point. We're just grinding to the upside. Let's give a little bit better look. So in this wave 5, if this is a wave 5, we have a wave 1, 2, and that's a 1, 2, 3, and we may be working on a wave 4 to begin the wave 5. So that would be 1, 2, 3. So we're working on the larger wave 3 right now. And until we get to the end of that 5, which could be here at the expected move, or could keep grinding right on here on this channel. Who knows? We actually popped through it. Kind of looked like it would have been a fake break, but nothing's really happening. There's no impulsive move down. Until there's an actual impulsive move down, we're not going to put on any put positions, and you can protect your positions if you'd like, but we're not going to go for any actual put plays. So we have the weekly range last week, these dashed lines here. So if we get back into that range, that will be an area for back into this, balance. So getting back into that balance would be showing signs of a change as well. Okay, until that happens, we just keep making new levels to the upside. Okay, and while the market is moving and grinding, look at the small caps move. We're going to look at a few names. Let's look at pltr in the pre-market while we're expecting earnings. It's gapping up right now, flagging. Looks like there's a small flag, and we'll continue to monitor that, but we'll move on to lazr. Lazr is moving on up. Move it on up. It is up about $1 in the pre-market. Boeing, also gapping up to almost 3 points. Looking good. These are on our radar for a good move today. So Pton looks like it's ready to break out to continue moving. It had a real good consolidation, and we'll be looking to get into that one. Now we are already in Rocket. Rocket had huge news. Just had a massive move to the upside after the CEO came on CNBC and finally consolidated back down. I do believe this is a 1-2, and I think that might be over. So we're gapping up here as well. And last but not least, we have fake meat, Bynd. So Bynd also had news about some sort of merger or something as McDonald's. I'm not sure. Doesn't really matter. So it had a huge 40% move, and I do believe this consolidation is over as well. Now, you notice how the big curvature of Bynd, they have these moves like this. So this is a curve up to the upside. So don't let that fool you. The actual waves and moves are in there. They're very impulsive. It likes to move and then very edgy, consolidate and then move. So it's very impulsive. But that's it. We're gonna wrap it up here. Everybody, if you like this information, please subscribe, hit that like button. We appreciate you. We want to spread the word, spread the wealth, so get them algorithms flowing for us, okay? We will talk to you after the bell, and we'll update the market then. Until then, we're bullish. So good luck trading.